promote mo sa amin ang Calapan Oriental Mindoro. Anong masasabi mo tungkol sa bayan mo?
Okay. Calapan Oriental Mindoro, specifically the Oriental Mindoro, composed of four aspects, which is the Mahal Tana. Mangyan, Mountain Halcon, Tamarao, and Nauhan Lake. And Oriental Mindoro is not just about the Mahatana. It's surrounded by different beaches, lakes, and waterfalls that I know that some other people want also to experience. Especially in Puerto Galera, if you know the Puerto Galera, it offers a white sand beaches that I know that tourists might get experience the refresh.
Ganun pa rin ba kasikat sa LGBTQ community ang Puerto Galera?
Yes po.
Ang bigla kang natawa, hindi ko pag-uusapan ito yan. Yung